There are several people in my family that have dietary restrictions, and we cook typically so that all of us can eat the same thing. But I don't have any dietary restrictions, and every once in a while I like to make something that is for me. My family doesn't really like spicy food. They can't have gluten. They don't like seafood. Spicy food, seafood, those are like my favorites. So I am going to do some green curry clams and mussels today. This is such an amazing dish. We'll grill up some bread with it, and I'm just gonna eat it all by myself. So let's get going. Good grilled bread doesn't need much, but I love to make just like a garlic oil with a little bit of lemon zest. Spread that on there, grill it, and then you hit it with some fresh lemon juice afterwards. Sounds weird, it's to die for. So that's what we're gonna do. We're going to chop up a bunch of basil here. For me, the more the better. Use as much as you like. When you're taking your basil off of the stems, getting ready to chop, for the larger leaves, just right below the tender parts. For these smaller sections here, so like this, these two leaves chopped, but I like taking these kind of little buds and keeping those intact. I think that's pretty. And I just put those right in. So bigger leaves chopped, those ones we'll keep the way they are. And that's it. Very few ingredients, not a lot of steps, but so much flavor. And with that toasted bread, it's phenomenal. Give this one a try. The full recipe is linked in the description of this video. Make it for somebody you care about, or keep it for yourself. I don't know, whatever you're feeling. Take care.